Welcome to my channel, Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best washing machines for 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best washing machines for 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Cu.Ft Portable Washing Machine 0.9 Cu.Ft Compact Washer with LED display is the perfect solution for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small homes where space is limited. Its compact design fits easily into tight spaces, while providing enough capacity to handle everyday laundry needs. The modern LED display makes selecting wash programs quick and convenient, giving you complete control over every cycle. Designed for efficiency, this portable washer offers multiple wash programs and water level options to accommodate different fabric types and load sizes. Its durable stainless steel inner tub helps protect clothing while delivering powerful cleaning performance. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the washing process without interrupting the cycle. Built with energy-saving technology, the Cu.Ft washer helps reduce water and electricity consumption, making it an economical choice for daily use. Adjustable leveling legs and a compact footprint ensure stable operation and easy placement in almost any room. Whether you're washing everyday clothes, towels, or delicate garments, the Cu.Ft portable washing machine combines convenience, reliability, and excellent cleaning performance in a space-saving design. It's an ideal laundry solution for anyone seeking efficiency without sacrificing quality. Number 2. The Olixus 1.06 Cu.Ft Portable washing machine is a compact yet powerful laundry solution designed for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small homes. Featuring a durable stainless steel drum and a 7.7 pounds washing capacity, it delivers reliable performance while saving valuable space. Its full automatic operation allows you to wash clothes effortlessly with the touch of a button, making laundry day faster and more convenient. Equipped with 10 versatile wash cycles, this portable washer easily handles everything from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled garments. The intelligent auto balance system reduces vibration and noise, ensuring smooth and stable operation even during high-speed spins. An easy-to-read LED display provides clear cycle information and simple controls for a hassle-free user experience. Built with efficiency in mind, the Olixus portable washing machine helps conserve water and energy without compromising cleaning performance. Its modern design blends seamlessly into any living space while offering dependable everyday functionality. Whether you need a primary washer for a compact home or a convenient secondary unit, this portable washing machine delivers outstanding convenience, durability, and consistent cleaning results. Number 3. The COSDWAY portable washing machine is a compact yet powerful laundry solution designed for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. With an 8-pound washing capacity, this full automatic washer delivers efficient cleaning while saving time, water, and energy. Featuring 6 versatile wash programs, it easily handles everything from delicate garments to everyday clothing, ensuring optimal care for every load. The intuitive LED display makes selecting wash cycles quick and simple, while the 3 adjustable water levels allow you to customize each wash according to your laundry size. Its fully automatic operation eliminates the need for constant monitoring, making laundry day more convenient than ever. The built-in spin-dry function helps remove excess moisture, reducing drying time and improving overall efficiency. Designed with durability and portability in mind, the Cosway portable washing machine fits comfortably into limited spaces without compromising performance. Its modern design complements any living area while providing reliable everyday use. Whether you need a dependable washer for a small apartment or a convenient laundry solution for travel, this portable washing machine offers outstanding performance, user-friendly features, and exceptional value for busy lifestyles. Number 4. The Jontex portable washing machine is a perfect laundry solution for apartments, dorms, RVs, campers, and other small living spaces. Designed with generous 21-pound total capacity, it features a 14.4-pound washing tub and a 6.6-pound spin dryer, allowing you to wash and dry clothes efficiently without taking up much room. Its compact twin tub design lets you wash one load while spinning another, saving valuable time and energy. Built with a powerful yet quiet motor, this portable washer delivers reliable cleaning performance for everyday garments, towels, and lightweight bedding. The easy-to-use control knobs make selecting wash time, spin time, and drainage settings simple, even for first-time users. Its lightweight construction and built-in drainage system allow for convenient placement and effortless operation. Finished in a sleek white and gray color combination, the Jontex portable washing machine blends seamlessly into any space while providing dependable performance. Whether you're looking to reduce trips to the laundromat or need a compact laundry solution for travel, this versatile machine offers convenience, efficiency, and excellent value for daily use. Number 5. The Nictamol portable washing machine is a convenient laundry solution for apartments, dorms, RVs, and other compact living spaces. With a 17.8-pound capacity and 2.4 cu. Foot design, it provides plenty of room for everyday clothing while maintaining a space-saving footprint. Its 350W pump helps deliver efficient water drainage, making laundry easier and more convenient. This washer and dryer combo features 10 washing programs and 8 water levels, allowing you to choose settings based on different fabrics and laundry loads. The turbo wash function is designed to provide effective cleaning, helping remove everyday dirt and stains efficiently. A 24-hour delay feature also lets you schedule washing according to your routine, offering added flexibility for busy households. Whether you're washing clothes, towels, or other essentials, the Nictamol portable washer combines practical capacity, multiple settings, and user-friendly operation. Its compact design makes it especially suitable for spaces where a full-size washing machine isn't practical, while its versatile features provide a convenient way to manage laundry at home.